Hello everyone, welcome to CocoBit! I'm back and this time I'm coming with another great idea. This super easy bracelet made with chain and some beads. This bracelet is quite rigid but still flexible, and the process to make it is very simple, so it's perfect for a beginner. This design allows you to hang some pendants to make it more personal. In this case, I've chosen some colorful crosses. I'll show you how to make these crosses in the next tutorial, but for now, let's start with the bracelets. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY jewelry. Hit the notification sign and you'll be notified by YouTube every time I'll post new videos. Hope to see you in my next tutorial, but until then remember to stay beautiful, smile and be very happy.